Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can set your project in the plain project management application to private, for instance, if you don't want it to be online anymore. So let us dive into this. All right, guys. So as you can see, we're inside that workspace here in the plain project management application, and I'm working on that project here to the left. So you can tell by that status here at the top if the given project you just selected which status it has. As you can see, I made it go public or online. So if you'd like to private it or make it go offline, guys, all you need to do is click into these three dots here in the left overview of your projects and click into these three dots and select publish project. But instead of publishing it, guys, simply click into unpublish here. As you can see, that's the current status. So if I select unpublish, the project will basically go offline. And as you can see, that public or online status here at the top has just disappeared. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.